Magandang araw, class. Today's topic, what are my rights as a teacher? Also known as the legal armor of Article 152 ng Revised Penal Code. Ready? Tara, let's decode. Imagine this, nasa faculty meeting tayo at may nagtanong, Sir Ma'am, protected ba talaga ako by law habang nagtuturo ako? Paano kung biglang sinapak ako ng estudyante? At kung minor siya, may laban ba ako? Relate? Kasi hindi lang chalk at laptop ang dala natin, minsan pati risk nasa backpack. Good news! Under Article 152, teachers are persons in authority. Pero may fine print. Applies lang sa Articles 148 at 151. Direct assault at resistance. Public at duly recognized private schools lang. So yes, may badge of authority tayo pero hindi siya blanket superpower. One-liner summary, situational ang protection. Kung nagkape ka lang sa labas at may nang away, hindi automatic Article 152. At kung tutor ka sa Sari-Sari Story View Center na walang accreditation, sorry, hindi ito sako. Quick pop quiz tayo. Inside the room, lecture, exam, discipline, check. Covered lahat yan. Flag ceremony, field trip, check pa rin. Performance of duty na yan. And away sa mall after hours, private fight, hindi yan counted. Kung may estudyante or parent na nanapak, direct assault na yan. Article 148 at pwede kang makulong, prison correctional up to 4 years and 9 months plus fine or resistance or disobedience under Article 151 and that is kulong of arresto mayor up to 6 months. May deadly weapon, lalong mas mabigat. But wait, there is a plot twist. Republic Act 9344 says an age that is equal or less than 15 years old exempt from criminal liability. An age that is 15 to 18 years old liable kung may discernment. Meaning, pwede kang masapak pero walang kulong si bagets. Parang shield na may butas. Hindi lang Article 152 ang bida, Republic Act 7610, protection ng bata, bawal ang corporal punishment. Anti-Bullying Act, schools policies dapat nakaredy. At DepEd Order 40, Child Protections Committee, agad-agad i-report. Safe Spaces Act, teachers din, bawal mangharas. So power with responsibility mga ka-teacher. Konting case law flex tayo. People versus Setiguar, 1932, OG recognitions of respect sa teacher. People versus Gelig, noong 2010, conviction because attack happened inside the classroom. At sa kasong CJCL versus People noong 2023, minors needs discernment para makasuhan. Moral, venue at edad, napakalaking factor. Action plan mga ma'am at sir. Una, document agad. Incident report, witnesses, medical certificate. Pangalawa, invoke school protocol. Child Protections Committee para solid. At pangatlo, civil damages. Pwedeng singilin ang magulang through family and civil code. At pang-apat, stay professional. Bawal manakit pabalik or mag-public shame. So may legal armor tayo, pero may limits. Pinakamalakas ito laban sa adult aggressors. At medyo mahina kapag minors dahil sa child protection laws. Know your power, know its boundary. At syempre, teach with heart. Salamat and class dismissed. Drop mic but gently kasi baka ma-charge tayo ng damage sa school property. This is JM and again remember, I will always be your law companion.